More like that.
Ouch. Do it again, Bubby.
Where's your head, Bubby?
You finally did it and I missed it.
Head.
Daddy, where are you?
You want to take? Where's your head, Neil?
See ya.
Hey.
Neil.
Say head.
That was adorable.
That was adorable. I wish I got on camera. Do it. Where's your head? Where's your head? Yay, head! Yay! Good job, Bubby. Do it again. Say head, yay! Good boy, honey. Hey, do it again. Neil, where's your head? Neil. He's looking at the door.
Neil. Neil. Neil, where's your head, buddy?
Look right, Adelie. Tell him, say, where's your head?
Where's your head? Where's your head, Neil?
Look, Neil, say,
head.
Yay! Good boy! Good boy! He did it! Yay! Do it again, do it again.
Where's your head? Where's your head, buddy? Where's your head?
Word, look at his head.
Neil, where is your head, silly head?
Head! Yay! Good boy! You made your mommy's day. Yes, head. Yay, head.
Whitney, where's the
Peace
camera?
out, yeah. Yay for head. Yes. Whoa, whoa.
Whitney, where's the camera?
I forgot to pull the donuts down. Shelly, do you want to take home some donuts? Alright, hey Bubby. Neil. Neil, where's your head? Where's your head? Head. Yay, head. Good boy. Head.
Neil, where's your head?
Say head.
Head.
Yes. Whoa. You want more cake? Would you like some more cake?
Cake?
Yes. Now get your head. Get your head. Neil. Look, he keeps trying.
Yes, son.
Neil.
It's got it all in his ear.
It's a water base.
Yeah, I don't know.
Neil.
Go ask Uncle Levi.
Neil.
Yay.
Neil. Hey.
And just, yes,
Neil.
hold on just a minute. Yes, I'll help you in just a minute.